Hello everyone. Here's another problem, very important problem from circles. Alright, although it's an example, but yes, it has many confusing points also. So I've brought it for you. Let's try to understand the question first and go through the solutions. So it is given that PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter as shown in figure. This PQ is of 8 centimeter and the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. Alright. The tangents at P and Q intersect at a point. Now we have two tangents TP and TQ and they are intersecting at this point as we can see. So we have to find the length of TP. This. Alright. Hope you have understood the question. Let's see how to do it. So I've already written the solution from you. Let's understand it point by point. This TP will be equal to TQ. These both are tangents drawn from the same point, so they will be equal. I've written the reason over here. Now TPQ forms a triangle, right? And when two sides, I have already proved the two sides equal, so this will be an isosceles triangle, right? Okay. Now this forms an isosceles triangle, and if we join this point T of the tangents, the common point T with this O, all right, so it will bisect PTQ and it will be perpendicular to this chord PQ. I've written it over here. This is a property, so I've just mentioned it. You can also prove it using congruency of triangles, but no need to prove it. You can simply just write it. OT bisects angle PTQ and OT is perpendicular to PQ. Okay. जब ये वाली लाइन इसके परपेंडिकुलर है सो इसका ये पार्ट OR भी परपेंडिकुलर होगा PQ के. Alright. So I have another property that perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. Alright. So PR will be equals to RQ. Understood? Now I can write PQ as PR plus QR. PQ is 8 centimeter and I can write RQ plus PR as 2 times of PR because I have already shown them equal over here, right? So PR will be 4 centimeter. I hope this is clear. Now when I have calculated PR as 4 centimeter, see in triangle PRO, I can apply Pythagoras theorem and find the value of OR over here. Alright. So OR is 3 centimeter now. I have calculated it. 3 centimeter using Pythagoras theorem. Now let TP as X and TR as Y. Alright. For simplicity. Otherwise I could have taken the sides at TP and TR only. But for simplicity, क्योंकि NCERT में भी ऐसे ही दिया है, I have taken it X and Y. Alright. So TPR इस triangle के अंदर Pythagoras जब आप लगाओगे, which angle is 90 degree? This angle is 90 degree, right? So use Pythagoras theorem, you will get this relation x square minus y square is equals to 16. Again, in triangle TPO, this bigger triangle, we know that OP will be perpendicular to TP, alright? So I can also apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So here hypotenuse is TO, this side. TO square will be equals to TP square plus PO square, right? So after you solve it, you will get this equation, alright? Just open this square as y square plus 9 plus 6y square plus b square plus 2ab, alright? So when we get these two equations, we can solve them, alright? I have just added these two equations, 2 and 3. Please solve it. This is not 1, this is 3. So 2 and 3, when you add these, alright, these two equations, the LHS will be added. This was there and this was there. I have added them, and RHS will also be added. So while you add them, they will be cancelled out. X square cancel, y square cancel. Alright. Here. So we'll be left with 6y is equals to 41 minus 9. Solving it, y will be 16 upon 3. Put the value of y back in equation number 2. This is not 1, this is 2. Well, you put it back, what will you get? The value of x. Alright, I have solved it. If you have any problem in understanding these steps, any of these, you can comment below. Alright. You can comment below. Okay. Although I have used all the methods very simply, I've simplified them as much as I could. Alright, if you could not understand, please comment below, and if you have understood, hooray. So we'll get x as 20 by 3 over here. Alright, so x was our TP, the tangent that we need to find. So finally our value, our answer is 20 upon 3.